Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all August diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 3 kgs in 7 days very quickly. Now we are left with just 7 days of August ending, and hence we'll be starting this new series where every month I give you a specific challenge or weight loss diet plan to help you lose, just like all my clients do. Recently my lots of clients followed this strategy for weight loss and they were able to see a great change happening in themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation with me and begin the weight loss happening. So without any delay, let's get started with August diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 3 kgs in 7 days quickly. Starting with our early morning drink, empty stomach, the main objective has to be to detoxify your body very quickly and also to make sure hydration is the utmost key point. So my personal favorite is loved by all of my clients. Simply add half a lemon squeeze to 1 glass of lukewarm water, add pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder. This works as miraculously well for detoxification and also to activate your hydration in the morning itself. So do try out this recipe for your early morning drink. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can simply consume 1 glass of lukewarm water with added apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to reduce the blood sugar spikes when it comes to food intake, balances the body's pH level and also detoxifies as well. So do try out these options for your early morning drink to detoxify and to start your day with hydration. Starting with our breakfast options. For breakfast, I'll be giving you 2 options here. Convenient, easy to perform, at the same time quick recipes. The first option is my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. Because you want to do a quick weight loss but sustainable, fruits are the go-to option for you. If you consume fruits in the morning itself, you will not have any kind of sugar cravings throughout the day and also complete your sugar intake in the morning itself. The first option for you would be to consume any fruit smoothie. Now I personally love in this season the banana mango smoothie. Why? Because it's seasonally available and mangoes are just running away. So do try out this option for your morning drink, or you can even have apple peanut butter banana smoothie because it's super convenient, super easy to prepare. Banana apples are readily available in every season. At the same time, peanut butter makes it super tasty and high protein as well. So do try out these options for your breakfast. Second option is, if you cannot have this and you do like having eggs, then you can definitely have 3 boiled egg whites, or you can have 3 egg whites omelette. Make sure the omelette is super loaded with vegetables. Make sure you add onion, tomato, capsicum, bell peppers, mushrooms, corns, whatever is available at your place or seasonally available, and make sure it's fiber rich as well. Second option, if you cannot have eggs for your meals, you're vegetarian, you can have 1 paneer sandwich. The complete recipe of my grilled sandwich is up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, super healthy and tasty as well, and trust me, you will not feel hungry for good time of the day to consume this. The complete recipe is showed here with minimal ingredients. Try using 100 grams of paneer for this, or you can even replace it with tofu, and you're good to go to have your tasty delicious sandwich. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunchtime. Now if you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume 1 glass of either coconut water if freshly locally sourced available, or you can skip and have 1 whole glass of lassi or mint lassi as the recipe is shared with you. Now why these things are important? Because it's anti-inflammatory in nature. We need to make sure to reduce the inflammation, bloating, swelling, water retention. The anti-inflammatory drinks are added to it. The best option for you would be either coconut water or a glass of mint lassi. Do not add any kind of salt or sugar to the lassi. We just have to make it sure it's plain, healthy and no salt added. Proceeding towards our lunch option for the quick weight loss diet plan, for which I'll be giving you 2 options here. Again, for alternate days, you can pick and choose any of the given options. The first option is for all of those who love having roti in their diet plan and they cannot quit roti no matter what happens. Roti is compulsion for them. So you can definitely enjoy roti but in a healthy way. What we'll do here is I'm preparing an all veggie wrap here. As you can see, what I've done here is I've simply sauteed beetroot, bell peppers and carrot. You can choose any vegetables of your own choice, whatever is available at your place. Simply sauteing it for 4 to 5 minutes. I'm not adding any kind of salt to it. You can add black pepper powder for taste but no salt to this. Vegetables contain good amount of sodium in themselves, so it's satiating enough. After sauteing it, it looks something like this. Now what I've done here is I've taken a chapati. It's a whole wheat chapati or a besan roti also, you can take as per your own choice. Making it full filling, you can add mint chutney to it or skip and simply add the sauteed vegetables. Over this I'm adding some crushed or grated paneer, some cheese for taste, just simply rolling it all together together and just have it this way. Or you can even toast it like I'm doing in a normal pan for 4 to 5 minutes, and your tasty and healthy wrap is ready. Trust me, the calorie content is super low, but yes, the protein intake at the same time your vegetable intake is super high for this. Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Proceeding towards our second option for all of those who want a quick recipe for rice oriented. Now if rice is what you want to have, replace them with brown rice or millets. I can share you both the recipes of brown rice pulao or millet khichdi. Both these recipes are low in carbohydrates, great for calorie deficit, and also works amazingly well when it comes to your fiber intake. I have made sure both these recipes are loaded with lots and lots of vegetables and less of the carb component, and trust me, it's a very healthy option for hormonal imbalances, PCOD, PCOS, or diabetes or thyroid. So do try out these recipes for your lunch. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume black tea, black coffee, or green tea if you like having it so. No sugar to it at all of any kind. If you want to have something sugar intake also during this time, you feel sugar cravings, have a piece of dark chocolate or have one date. It satisfies your sugar craving to the utmost level. Second option would be to have either ajwain water or jeera water or saum water during this time if you don't feel like having tea or coffee. And plus for snack, you can have 20 grams of roasted makhana as well. So do try out these options for your mid-evening snack. Proceeding towards our dinner option for this diet plan would be, I'll be giving you low carb, high protein options, but very satisfying and satiating. The first option would be my personal favorite, prepared and loved by all of my clients, paneer stir fry. All I've done here is grill lots and lots of vegetables. Like I'm using here broccoli, carrot, bell peppers. You can use any of your own choice. Grill them well in some olive oil for 4 to 5 minutes. Once they're all crispy and good to go, proceeding towards grilling our paneer as well, or you can use tofu and chicken in place of it as well. You can use chicken 100 grams or paneer 100 grams or tofu 100 grams. Grill them all well with adding regular spices. Once done, pour some Greek yogurt over it as a dressing, and trust me, this whole meal tastes super convenient, super easy, great fiber intake, great protein intake, and very satiating. So do try out these recipes for your dinner. Second option would be to consume 1 or 2 Moong dal chilla. Now yes, I understand sometimes you feel like having something very heavy and something very satiating. Moong dal chillas make you feel so fulfilled with your meal and also great in weight loss as well. The recipe is completely shared on my channel. You can try it and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Enjoy it along with mint chutney or coconut chutney, and you're good to go to have your tasty and fulfilling dinner. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post our dinner. During this time, always make sure to have either 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. It really helps your body to relieve all the stress of the entire day. My clients have seen tremendous results with insomnia. If they're suffering from insomnia, you'll start seeing better good sleep benefits, and also it boosts your immunity and metabolism as well. People or women over 40 to 50 should must have chamomile tea once a day without fail for great hormonal imbalances and results to satisfy their hunger as well. Proceeding towards our second option for this would be to have ajwain or jeera water. If you don't feel like having chamomile tea, you can always have ajwain water or jeera water. It helps with postpartum weight loss, also removes water retention, swelling of any kind, and works amazingly well for fat loss. So do try out these options for your bedtime drink. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to satiate your hunger pangs and to fulfill your hydration levels also, and to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. If you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, or simply click on the link given in the description box below to directly contact me, and I'll be starting your weight loss journey with full bang, and trust me, the results are wonderful. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to help you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming diet plans and what I eat in a day vlogs, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.